Hi, Unbox Norway here. Today we have some Norwegian classics on Blu-Ray. 6 of them. We'll start off with Kristin Lavrandsdatter. My brother has a role in this. It's long, 242 minutes from 95. You got master audio 5.1, aspect ratio is 166. So let's take off the wrap. There we go. Spine. There's a booklet. Quite many pages. Scenes from the production. There's 48 pages. There's bonus disc. And here's the main feature. Okay, Kristin Lavrandsdatter. We have Uno. It's Aksel Hennie's movie. He directed it. It has master audio 5.1, aspect ratio 184. Runtime is 1 hour and 43 minutes. Take a look. There we go. Got this purple disc. Okay. Next one, Åpen Framtid. It's by Dir.Wam. 1 hour and 59 minutes. Master audio 2.1. Aspect ratio 177. Take a look. There we go. That's the way it looks. Okay, next one. The Siste Fleksnes by Hermansson. 1 hour and 28 minutes. Aspect ratio 167. Master audio 2.1. And all of these are region free, so you can watch them anywhere. There we go, we're trying to dance. Yellowish. Next one, Adjø, Solidaritet by Dir.Wam and Wennerød. 2 hours and 21 minutes. 177 aspect ratio. Master audio 2.1. BD 50 gig. There we go. That's the way it is. Okay, last one. It's Dere. It's a film by Lasse Glom. 1 hour and 41 minutes. Aspect ratio is 167. Master audio 2.1. 50 gig disc. Yes. That's the inside. Yes. Norwegian classics. Just out. If you're into collecting Blu-ray, steelbooks, 4Ks, please subscribe and remember to like the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.